Got a minute? Do you want to have a look at this timer? Let's go. Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Mike Makes It. Our friends from BLUEEKIN have sent me a little countdown timer. So let's get it out, see what we got for the money. Not a lot in here. A power cable, USB-C charger cable, a little book of words, all the instructions you need in there in many different languages, and the countdown timer itself. Comes in various colours. This one's obviously blue. Amazon also have a red one at the moment. The controls on here, you've got a volume control, 3-level volume control for when the alarm goes off. Brightness control, 3 levels. One is off when it's counting down. The other 2, the display is visible. You've got the on-off switch on the far side there. USB-C charging point. You've got a tilt-in bale, so you can pop it down on the desk. Or, if we pull in a chunk of metal here, random bit of metal in the garage, you've got a magnetic base on it, or magnetic back. So you could stick it to your old fridge in the kitchen. So let's switch it on and see what we get. 2 or 3 second hold on the on-off switch on the right hand side as you look at it. 2 controls on the top. Now this will control hours, minutes and seconds for the countdown. And plus, not only do they rotate, you can press them to reset the count. Now you need to stop the count before you could do that. But as you can see, we've got 45 seconds on the display. Let's pretend we want to clear that. Keep your finger on the right hand button there. It'll reset to 0. Now let's say we want a 45 minutes or 45 second countdown. Right hand button, scroll through until you get to your desired amount of seconds. 45. Oh, I've gone too much, say. You can just rotate it the other way back to get the correct time. Once you're ready to go, hit either of the buttons on the top and the countdown will start. You've got a progress indicator there, how much left of the original time. So this isn't quite a second display. If I had set it for a minute, then that would exactly be 1 minute before it counts down. We'll just go over the functions. On the side you've got brightness. You've got 3-stage brightness, which is off when it's running, but it will light up when you actually get to 0, the time's elapsed. That brightness, and one more, maximum brightness. The tones, you have got 2 tones and 1 off, a silent one. So, I don't know if you heard that. That's the loudest. Press again. No speakers lit up, or no output from the speakers lit up. And when the alarm elapses, the screen will display, flash at you, but you'll get no sound. So if you happen to be in a library, that could be good. So we'll set it to maximum brightness, maximum tone, the 2 buttons as I said on the side there. We'll go for 10 seconds, press top right hand button, off it goes. Nearly there. Basically, press a button on the top, you cancel the alarm. Press the button again, you'll reset the alarm. Now, if you want to set seconds, you use the right hand button. And say you want to set 1 minute 30 seconds, set to 30 seconds first using the top button, then the left hand button you set minutes. So we said 1 minute 30, off we go. Now the bar graph doesn't count down quite so quickly because it is the elapsed time of the total count. So if you put 1 hour 30 minutes on there, you hardly see this moving. And this will chug down until it gets to 0 and off the alarm goes. So, but I want to pause it, I want to put a kettle on. So press any of the buttons. Just start it with the top right, pause it with the top left. So both have dual functionality. But this piece of kit at the moment is on Amazon, $16.99. Currently the blue and the red one's available. There's 20% off voucher on Amazon, so it's probably worthwhile getting one now if this is what you're looking for. It comes with the USB-C charger cable, as I already said. Tilt and bale on the back. Magnetic pad to stick to your fridge, which is good. There's not a lot more I can say about the timer. The only one thing I will mention, I'm not sure if this will come over on the camera, when this is going to be on your desk or on the fridge, the display is wonderful, really good display. But if I start looking at an angle, I don't know, you can see that disappear. So if you had to look from this angle at the timer, you might have an issue. But so long as you're near horizontal to it or above, it's a really wonderful display. So yeah, that's about all I can say for this, but I'll be cooking my eggs to this. So thanks for BLUEEKIN for sending that along, and I hope you enjoyed the short video.